Sanibonani molweni Dumelang Absheng uzolani phansi lo. This is a short video engifisa nje ukuthi ngikhombise abantu when you are trading uwenza ini scalping, because when we talk about trading nizokhumbula ukuthi ngikhulume ngezinto eziningi. Mangithi ngikhulume ngezinto eziningi, maningi ama types of trading engikhulume ngawo engiwafakile. La sikhuluma khona ngo scalping, esikhuluma ngo swing, esikhuluma ngani uthola ukuthi you trade with ama long term, you trade with ama short term. So this is a short video la nginikhombisa khona ukuthi sometimes if we are doing trading uyawacombine wonke ama strategies indlela engisebenza ngayo. Ngizonikhombisa nje nibone ukuthi sometimes you also accumulate ama losses with intention yokuthi wenze njani, you follow the trend, because sometimes ingathi liqale usuku i-trade yakho ishona ezansi uthola ukuthi iyaphenduka. So you must make sure that you always trade with the trend, and if you are a person oyazi you trading uyazi la kumele uphume khona, you do not hold ama trades noba sekumele uphume. So you analyze the market ubone okay kumele ngiphume. If kumele uvala ama position with a loss, then you will do that, you will close ama position with a loss. So namhlanje it's Monday, no, it's not Monday. Yabona umuntu akalali uhleze esebenza sengazuthi Monday, because I was having someone obekade engasebenzi soqala ukusebenza namhlanje. Okay, ulwesingaki namhlanje? Ulwesithathu, ulwesithathu umhla ka-24 ngixolele. So ngifuna ukunikhombisa la when we do scalping ukuthi sisenza kanjani scalping. Okay, this is an account which I funded nini last week. You can see balance yayo. As you can see balance yayo. This is an account uthola ukuthi I'm doing in a restoration, imbuyiselo. I'm preparing myself to do a lot of umsebenzi omkhulu nini ngo-2022, because nizokhumbula ukuthi kune video engifakile la ngikhuluma about yini i-profits ngithi come 22. So sengiqalile already, I'm working, ngizama ukuthi ngilungise kuleyo nto leyo. So into engifuna nibone la, as you can see EV75 leyo we are trading EV75. You can see when you analyze the market ku 1 hour ukuthi it seems as if we are in a direction. It's starting from right, from left here to right. But if you go kubani ku 5 minutes time frame, let's go to 5 minutes time frame. You can see ku 5 minutes time frame ukuthi iqale usuku yehla and then yenza njani, yafika la yajika. And imawuzo yalapha ku 1 hour it's where uzothola khona ukuthi iqala ukujika before kushaye bani, kushaye ubani u6, njengoba manje isikhathi siubani u6:11. So kunama position ebenginawo ebekade eyi downtrend, because ngivuka ekseni ngenze i-trading, ngivuke ngobani ngivuka ngo2 ngenze trading. As you can see ama trades awasekuseni ukuthi bengiwaqala ngobani beke wholesale. I was taking ama profit ku wholesale, open close, and then ngithe isikhathi mase ku 343 bengawona 343 exactly, bekubani beku 543. Kusho ukuthi ngoba imarket esiyazi ukuthi isemuva ngobani ngo2 hours ezithena sisela eSouth Africa. And then you can see ukuthi I've closed ama position amangaki, ama position awu 1 2 3 with a loss $44, 12 and then 10. Ngashintsha i-direction ngathini now, I'm no longer selling but I'm buying based kwi-analysis yami engiyibonile. Sengichecka ku 1 hour time frame, ngaconfirma with ngaconfirma with ama indicators ama-indicators la ku 5 minutes. You can see ukuthi besenza njani, bekade cross, even though yabo njengamanje la 5 minutes linga-confuse, ungafuna ukuphuma womunye umuntu, kodwa if you are scalping you know ukuthi still isazothi ukhuphuka leli hour leli, maybe it will change mase kushaya bani, kushaya 7. So what I did, ngitshintshe i-trade i-trade yami ngayitshintsha ngathi I'm buying. I-loss le engiyivalile 44, 12 no-10 you can see it angithi. Kodwa ngenza njani? Ngavula ama-position. Lama-position engiwavulile enza njani? Ayivala akhokha. Uyabona 53 ukhokhelwa 44, u12 no10, u14 wakhokha u12, u10 nangu 10 and then sengino-extra 40. So isekuseni njengamanje you can see profit ngihleli kubani ku-173. U6 ekuseni sengihleli ku-173. Now you can ask yourself ukuthi if you are scalping, let's say you scalper with intention ukuthi uzenzele nje imali encane mhlawumbe u28 US dollar nge-hour. Let's say uzotrader from u3 ekuseni until u5 noma until u9, unikeza nje ama-hour amaningi ngoba excuse me akumele ube umuntu olala kakhulu. Ngoba olala kakhulu sazolala emathuneni. Imarket ivula 24 hours. So wena ngalesikhathi ulele imarket yenza something, khona abantu abasebenzayo. So if you are a person ofuna ukuthi asebenze, unlike a person othola ukuthi unesikhathi sokuthi ayongena emsebenzini njengomuntu oqashiwe, you work mhlambe u18 hours njengoba sino 24 hours, ureste ureste u6 hours. From mongathi wena 28 US dollars times 18 hours, calculate ukuthi ungenza malini, ungenza about 504 US dollars. If you convert that 504 US dollars, which means ngosuku ungenza malini, ungazenzela u7,000 nemali. Angisho ukuthi zonke insuku ungenza lo mali, kodwa if you target leyo, ubeke leyo target in your trading, it is possible to make 7,000. It is possible sometimes to make even more than that. Yabo. So ngizama nje ukunikhuthaza ekuthenini this thing ye trading ayisho ukuthi you must hold ama positions nokuyibona i-trend sometimes ukuthi it's going against you ilento yakho. Sometimes you can wenze sure ukuthi okay, so analyze ile market, ushintshe then ukhuphuke nayo, uvale with a loss and then uzophinde wenze njani, uzophinde wenze profit futhi. So bengifuna nje ukunikhombisa lokho. Sa abanye abantu mabebona kubovu kanje baye bakhale babe nokusaba, cabanga ukuthi hey kusho ukuthi uzoba senkingeni. Kodwa ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi if you know i-strategy osisebenzisayo and osithembile, ayithusi lento le, ayithusi lento ubonela bo right laba, ngoba eventually iyashintsha. So sizonibona ngo-2022. Ngo-2022 azokhala amademoni. 2022 sizobe senza yini i-restoration ne-turnaround. Yonke iminyaka iyadliwa isikhonyana, izobuya. Nalabo bethi asikwazi ukutrade bazobona ukuthi siyakwazi ukutrade. uNkulunkulu emuhle uzothi ngiyatshala njengamanje. So isikhathi sokutshala nabantu abenze farming, inyanga yokutshala le. So mangabe ungatshali manje kusho ukuthi ngeke uzokwazi ukuvuna next year. So nami ngiyatshala njengamanje. Njengoba ngitshala nje yabona kubova ngithi, kodwa wena come and see makushona ilanga ukuthi kuzobe sekunjani. Engikuthandayo ke ngale yami imbewu, ngivuna usuku nosuku. Ngivuna usuku nosuku, kodwa ke njengamanje ngoba ngisaqokelela, siqokelela u2022. Kunyaka ozayo sobe sesenza njani? Sesenza ama-payback. Sesikhokhela abantu kumele sibakhokhele. Asikhaliswa ukubona all-right ngoba nis-analyze market, you can see la ku-1 hour ukuthi nansi rejection lapha i-1 hour and then the market ibiyenza njani, iku-support. Now we are buying, we are going up. Ngeke ngize nginikhombise-ke ntambama ukuthi i-profit yakhona izobe isiyimalini ngoba abanye abantu bazosuke babe nokuthuka okanye babe nokusaba kakhulu. Kodwa nje inhloso yale video ukunikhombisa nje ukuthi sometimes kwe-market you close ama-position with the loss, with intention ukuthi wenze njani, wenze more profit. Kuse-early kabi njengoba manje kuse-6:17, kusenama-hour amaningi kabi from 6 to 6, which means 12 hours, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15 ngisendo 15 hours engisazotrade. So you can ask yourself-ke ukuthi kulo 15 hours malini mhlawumbe engingayenza, nobe ngabe kuthiwa ngizenzela nobe $5 nobe ngabe $10 nge-hour, kuzobe kuyimalini engizobe ngiyenza. So i-trading ikanjalo nje, ikanjalo. So nibayeke abantu abakhuluma kakhulu abasho izinto ey'ningi abangazazi. Emva kwale video le ngizofaka enye ividiyo engizofisa ukuthi abantu ababekade befake imali yabo phansi kwegama lakaHambule noba phansi kwegama lakaZolani bayilalele, bayelelisise kahle, ngoba kuleyo video leyo ngizokuxolisa ebantwini base-South Africa. Nizoyibona, ngizoxolisa ngiphinde ngibonge futhi kulabo abangenziwa ubuhlungu. Ngiphinde ngibaxolele futhi nalabo abenze izinto ezimbi kumina. So le video lena iyividiyo isisekelo esekela ividiyo elandelayo la khona ngizoxolisa. Exoliseni kwami ngixolele, mase ngixolilele ngiphinde ngibonge futhi ukuthi baze bangisiza abantu bangidlulisa ebuhlungwini. So nje ikanjalo ngithi manginibonise nje ukuthi nasi trading kutradewa kanje. Benginifundisa ngiwafaka amavidiyo, so it's a live account like you can see, and imakethe uyayibona ukuthi njengoba ngikhuluma nje izenzela izinto zayo. Imakethe-ke ifuna ukuthi ube umuntu opatient, njengoba ngangisho kwi-ebook yami, izinto engizifundisile ebantwini izinto engizenzayo. Akuyona into othola ukuthi ngifunde into ngoba ngiyithathe encwadini ngoba ishiwo omunye umuntu, but I'm preaching what I am practicing. So lento engiyishoyo ebantwini, it's what I am doing as I'm doing trading. Maybe just nje ukuqinisa nje abanye abantu abatradeayo, ngoba ngiyazi kukhona nabantu aba-analyzayo lama-analysis ongakaze ubone lutho ngabo. Ngisafuna ukuthi nje ube nomlando. Umlando nje wey'nsuku ey'ngaki masithi nje njengoba namhlanje kuLwesithathu kumhla ka-24 masiye kumhla ka-16, sithi sifuna ukubona i-history, a custom period from uTuesday uNovember 16 until uNovember 24. Sibheke iprofit engabe isiyenziwe ile account ukuthi ngabe isiyenze malini. You can see, uyazibonela nawe la ngithi ukuthi ithi profit esiyenziwe ibala u914, ithi deposit u5000, ithi withdrawal u1978, ibe sethi balance u3933. So which means if you can calculate le mali esikhona manje ku-3000, ibalance yethu njengamanje it's 3000 3933 angithi. So if you add 1000 lapho kusho ukuthi ubani lo 5000 odepositiwe angithi. And then mose-ke uzibuzeke ukuthi-ke lena enye imali-ke engabe isiyavela-ke la sekuyimali eyenziwe nini. Noma sisuke futhi lapho ngithi mangikubonise nje umlando wey'nsuku ezimbalwa, sithi sisuka nje kumhla kabani masiye la kumhla ka-20, from 20 to 24 ubone ukuthi yenza njani. You can see ukuthi sinobani, ithi sino 933. Uyabona ukuthi zimbalwa lezi nsuku ekutradewe ngazo, ngobani kukhona nama-loss abakhona la, but you can see, uyabona ukuthi nanka ama-loss akhona ngithi, kodwa ubheke imali eyenza njani eyenziwe. Uyabona ukuthi kunjani lokho ku-blue, mase u-check-a no-red, o-red laba kusuke kuyini, kwama-loss angithi. Now ngifuna niyibone lento le kwenzela ukuthi noba ngabe sekuthiwa umuntu uyayikhuluma into ayikhulumayo esho noba yini ayishoyo kodwa ube nayo into ewumlando noba into ephathekayo, you can see angithi nanga wanamhlanje angithi yabo. So if you calculate labo red with green uzobona ukuthi o-red bancane, o-green baningi. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi i-profit iningi than ini ama-losses. So uyibambe lonto leyo, ibambe lonto leyo izokusiza nawe njengoba uzobe usafunda wenza njani, wenza i-trading. Ngicela ukuthi nginibambe lapho. You can see sesiqalile senza i-profit. Angithi uyabona njengamanje ukuthi yenza njani lento yethu. Othi-ke sike sinibonise nje ukuthi-ke iyenze njani imakethe uma kuthiwa ngempela we are doing trading. Ngithi uyayibona ukuthi yenza njani. So maye kanjena, if you are doing scalping uyawuthatha lo 14 uthini, uthi close, angithi iyakhuphuka. So as you closed and then uyayihlangabeza futhi with another position, uphinde uvale futhi. Angithi uyawubona ukuthi yenza njani, uphinde futhi uyivale le, angithi yabo. Ayibo isenza njani, isenama profit wonke, then iyagijima iya phezulu. Kade ku-red sekubani manje, sekuyi-profit kuphela. So this is how you do i-scalping. Iyona ndlela le osebenza ngayo wenze wenze i-profit. So ngicela nje ukuthi ngibambe la. So njengamanje you can see i-profit yethu kubani u-9. Okay, masishintshe-ke sishintshele kuyanamhlanje sekubani, seku-199. Uyayibona i-profit yethu ithini, imi kanjalo. So mangivale nje ngibonge, ngiyabonga kakhulu, nisale kahle.